Sorry, mixing. This one, leakage I have taken. Leakage I have taken here. For leakage, I am saying proper drain and collection is in place and SOP is there. Training and awareness training, MSDS, and ice hour.
Ice hour already there.
No, recommend is a current card. Ice hour and body fountain, right?
What is?
Body fountain is also there. Body ice hour is there.
No, it is there, the body fountain.
Yeah. So we'll take this.
Body fountain come.
No, body, see, if the spillage is
one combined system.
Yeah, it's a safety shower. Yeah, ice shower and body wash. Okay, so guys, I think for this we are okay.
Citric acid.
What is the temperature?
They will never will maintain.
Ambient temperature.
No, no.
This tank is above.
It's insulated.
So anticipation building, right?
See, normally.
But this is above the right. Yes, it's above. Then and say that
In the summer.
Whatever it is.
I tell you, this is the problem across the Middle East. Because your septic shower and body fountain is connected with the network, and this is not circulation. This is always stagnant mode. This temperature will go high. Your eye will not damage because of chemical. Eye will damage because of hot water.